Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best garage hardware is probably one of the most effortless ways to instantly upgrade your home's curb appeal. These magnetic accents offer a convincing, high-end look without the hassle of drilling or permanent installation. They're designed to mimic the appearance of real carriage house door hardware, transforming your ordinary garage door into a statement piece that enhances your home's aesthetic. Number 5. Household Essentials Garage Magnetic Hardware. Tired of a plain garage door? These decorative magnetic accents are the perfect solution. They add instant curb appeal with minimal effort. Installation is a breeze. You don't need any tools or drilling. Simply attach them to your steel garage door. Made from durable, UV and weather-resistant plastic, this set is built to last. It won't rust or discolor, maintaining its appearance over time. Before you buy, make sure your garage door is compatible. Use a refrigerator magnet to test if your door is magnetic. The set includes 2 handles and 4 hinges. The hinges are 15.375 inches long, and the handles are 9.5 inches long. They are designed to give your garage door a carriage-style look. This product is protected by patent US 9534419B2. Get yours today and transform your garage door. What we like. This set offers incredibly easy installation, requiring no tools or drilling. It's made from durable, weatherproof materials, ensuring it withstands the elements. If you're looking for a quick and simple way to upgrade your garage door's appearance without any hassle, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Magnets are strong, haven't budged in months through heat, wind, or rain. Adds a high-end, carriage house style to a plain garage door. Installation took less than 2 minutes, literally just stick them on. Number 4. WINSOON Magnetic Garage Door Decorative Hardware Kit. Introducing the WINSOON Magnetic Garage Door Decorative Hardware Kit. This kit instantly upgrades the look of your garage door, adding a touch of elegance and style. It's an easy way to boost your home's curb appeal. The WINSOON hardware features heavy-duty magnets. The strong magnetic force ensures that it stays securely in place. You don't have to worry about it falling off. Installation is a breeze. You don't need any tools or drilling. Simply apply the magnetic hardware to your steel or magnetic metal alloy door. It's easy to remove and relocate too. Made from high-quality ABS plastic with UV protection, this hardware is built to last. It's UV and weather-resistant, so it won't crack or fade, even in extreme conditions. This kit is designed for steel doors or magnetic metal alloy doors. The set includes 4 door hinges, each 15 inches long, and 2 decorative handles. The handles are 9 inches long, offering a complete and stylish look. What we like. This product boasts a strong magnetic hold, ensuring it stays firmly in place. The UV and weather-resistant material means it will last, and the color won't fade over time. If you live in an area with harsh weather conditions and want a long-lasting, attractive upgrade, this is the one for you. What people say. The magnets are strong and hold the hardware in place well. The hardware looks great and really adds to the curb appeal of the house. Installation was super easy and took only a few minutes. Number 3. Garage Door Screen 16 by 7 feet for 2-car garage. This garage door screen helps keep pesky animals out. It brightens your garage and transforms it into an extra living space, free from dust and unwanted critters. This screen is designed for 16 by 7 foot garage doors. It's a durable and easy to install solution. Installation is quick and easy with the included hook and loop strips and push pins. The screen is made to last and can be easily detached for storage. The strong magnetic closure allows for easy walk-through, for both people and pets. Extra gravity sticks at the bottom provide wind resistance. Made with tear-resistant, fireproof fiberglass mesh. It's corrosion-resistant and maintains its shape over time. This screen can be used in various locations, such as front, rear, or patio doors. Measure your garage carefully before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This garage door screen keeps annoying animals out while letting fresh air in. The easy installation makes it a breeze to set up. If you like enjoying your garage as an extra living space, free from pests and dust, this screen is perfect for you. What people say. The magnets that hold the two sides together may not seem strong, but they are very robust. Compared to the other options, this was the only one that had built-in weights at the bottom of the screen, which IMO is a must. I also have to give a shout out to the magnetic closure. It is really well executed and provides a perfect zero-gap closure. Number 2. Eapele Magnetic Garage Door Decoration Kit. This kit is incredibly easy to apply. You can instantly transform your garage door without any tools or glue. It's simple to use and leaves no residue. Made from high-quality PVC vinyl and weatherproof plastic, this accessory is built to last. It can withstand heat, water, and washing, ensuring it maintains its appearance over time. The smooth black surface has a slight sheen, making it look incredibly realistic. People will be amazed at how much it enhances the look of your garage door. The kit comes with 32 magnetic window pieces, 4 window hinges, and 2 handles. Everything you need to give your garage door a complete makeover is included. The magnetic windows measure 6 by 4 inches, the window hinges are 15 by 2.2 inches, and the handles are 8.9 by 1.7 inches. These dimensions are perfect for a realistic look. Choose this kit and give your garage door a major upgrade. It's an easy way to enhance your home's curb appeal and make a lasting impression. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to apply, requiring no tools or glue. It's made from durable PVC vinyl, designed to withstand the elements. If you want to quickly and easily transform your garage door's look with a realistic, high-quality finish, then you should consider this. What people say. They stick by magnets, they don't easily come off, and they look great. Very strong magnets. Everyone thinks that I have a new garage door. They were obviously super easy to install as they're just rectangle magnets. Number 1. ZEKOO Garage Door Magnetic Decorative Hardware Kit. Introducing the ZEKOO Magnetic Hardware Kit. This kit instantly upgrades your garage door's appearance, adding a touch of elegance and curb appeal. It's a simple way to transform your home's exterior. These garage door magnets feature heavy-duty magnets with twice the suction power. This ensures it stays firmly in place on steel or metal alloy doors, regardless of the weather. You can trust it to stay put. Installation is a breeze with this magnetic hardware. No tools or drilling are needed. You can easily put it on or take it off without damaging your garage door. Please note, it is not suitable for wooden or aluminum doors. Made from special ABS material, this hardware is built to last. It's UV, corrosion, and weather resistant, and won't fade over time. It is designed to withstand the elements. This kit includes faux hinges and handles to give your garage door a classic look. The decorative accents add a significant visual upgrade, making your home more inviting. It's an easy way to increase your home's value. Choose this garage door decoration to give your garage doors a new look. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is more than happy to assist you. What we like. This kit features super strong magnets for a secure hold, and it's incredibly easy to install without any tools. The sturdy and durable construction ensures it will last. If you want a reliable and long-lasting upgrade that's easy to apply, this is the perfect option. What people say. They look great. The magnets adhere very well. No issues. The garage door magnetic decorative hardware kit added a touch of class to my garage. It was plain white and boring. They made such a difference and was so easy to attach to the door. Heavy-duty quality plastic. Strong magnetic attachment. Looks like metal from the road. Great way to dress up your garage doors without having to put any holes in them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.